Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Python with Tanu. So in this class, let's discuss about if else elif conditions. Okay, so when you want to apply these conditions, we have a keyword if. Here you need to understand how if work here. So if we have many statements like statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 as one block, statement 4, statement 5, 6 as second block, 7, 8, 9 is third block. How could you know? How could you decide what statement will execute here? So based on some condition, if given condition is true, that block will be executed. If the given condition is false, it won't execute that block and execution will be moved to next block. So is it so? System will execute based on those conditions. Finally, if followed by some condition, if that condition is true, that block will be executed. If not, it won't execute. So is it clear guys? So this is what about if condition. So let me take one example here. So let me take one example. If followed by condition, it all depends on value you are passing through this condition. So if true followed by some indentation. Indentation means specifying some spaces and print true. If it is a true, print true. So I didn't mention indentation, I didn't mention any space next false statement. That means that false statement not belongs to if. Wherever I mentioned a space inside the if block, so those conditions are belongs to if condition. If so norm in generally will we will give 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, whatever it may be, will comes to indentation. సో ఒక ట్యాబ్ ఇస్తే సరిపోతుందండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ టేక్ ఐల్ టేక్ ఈవెన్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్. సో x is equals to 2. So for even we have to get the remainder as 0. So remainder remainder equal to r equal to x modulus 2. So if r equal to 0, print even. If, and here I am not taking else, if r equal to 1, print odd. See here, first it will check r equal to 0. If it is true, it will print even. If not, again it's check the if r equal to 1, print odd. So line by line it will check. So it is time taking process. Again it checks first if condition. If it is true also, next it will go to the next if condition, and it is also will be checked by the interpreter. So it will the time taking process. So next, so here, see here, I'm taking else condition. See, else print odd. If it is, if is true, if condition is true, then only it will print even. It won't check else block. So let's talk about nested if. In nested if, see, if you have many conditions, so that time we will choose next nested if. So here, if r equal to 0, print even. And we should also want to know if the given number is greater or not. So that time inside if we will write another code for the greater one. See here, if the given condition is greater than 5, so it will print greater, or else it will go for the else block, so it will print lesser. So inside if it also have else block too. For outside if it also have else block. Yes, see here, this is what about nested if r equal to 0, then it will print even, and it will go for the next if it is true, it will come out from the block. So next, elif 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 also stands for else if. So let me take one example. X is equals to 2. I want to check if x equal to 1, then print 1, else x equal to else print 2. But I want to check for all the numbers, not about 1 2 3. So that time we will mention elif x equal to 2, so print 2, else if not means if not else print none. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.